Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Dolphin Nautilus Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner. The Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus has all the functions and features you'd expect from an automated pool cleaner, but at a moderate cost. The cleaner was designed for pools in ground that are up to 50 feet long. It can clean your pool from end to end in just 2 hours. It does not require pumps or hoses, and comes with 2 brushes to remove algae, dirt as well as other debris. This robot makes use of clever navigation to wash the floor and walls of your pool, and its cable that is tangle-free ensures that it doesn't get caught when it's working. It's simple to remove the 2 filters at the upper part of the device and it will capture small and large particles. The pool cleaner is simple to install and begin and also picks up significant amounts of silt as well as smaller petals, leaves and insects. It is not only able to keep the pool sparkling clean even after a throng of swimmers, it additionally takes the burden of managing the in-ground swimming pool. Our second best pool cleaning robot is Dolphin Nautilus CC Supreme Robotic Pool. If you own a huge pool or require a cleaner that has every bell and whistle, then the Dolphin Nautilus CC Supreme Wi-Fi operated pool cleaner is a worthy investment. This premium cleaner is ideal for pools that are in ground with a length of up to 50 feet. It takes 1.5 to 3.5 hours to finish a cleaning process according to the model you choose. Contrary to less expensive models, this model is able to clean the pool's walls and waterline to ensure that each inch is free of algae and dirt. Its Dolphin cleaning system will do the work for you so that you don't need to. The active scrubber provides excellent pool cleaning every time. With the Dolphin's energy-saving features, it not only ensures that the surface of your pool thoroughly cleaned, but you also save cash, as well. The tough brush is gentle on your pool, yet difficult on dirt. Its dual filter system can take in every kind types of trash and helps keep them away from the water. This pool cleaner is fitted with powerful scrubbing brushes, 3 to be precise, that offer an even deeper clean. Additionally, sophisticated navigation software scans your pool to provide an efficient cleaning path. The Dolphin is equipped with agile steering and dual drive strategic movement that assists in navigating around obstacles. The Dolphin is always clean no matter how narrow the corners of your pool are. The Dolphin Nautilus Supreme, a robotic swimming pool cleaner. You can schedule your pool's maintenance from anywhere via Wi-Fi that is always connected. This Dolphin Nautilus Supreme comes with strong wall climbing capabilities to remove dirt from the floor, walls as well as your pool's waterline. With the Dolphin's advanced technology, the waterline of your pool is incredibly clear. When the robot is moving across your pool, it develops an unstoppable grasp on the pool's walls. Each cleaning performance gives you the best experience in your pool without the hassle. Third choice in our list is Aper Seagull 1000 Cordless Pool Vacuum. A lot of robotic pool cleaners cost quite a bit, and some cost a lot, but if you do not want to invest this much, you should consider an Aper Seagull 1000 pool cleaner. In contrast to most robotic cleaners that are powered by the cord, this tiny robotic cleaner is powered by rechargeable lithium-ion batteries that gives an up to 90 minutes of running time per charge. All you need to do is place the robot in your in-ground or above-ground pool, and it'll move from wall to walls, taking in dirt, sand and much more. The angle of the cleaning is adjustable, allowing you to choose a route that is best for the shape of your pool. The battery can be recharged in 4 to 6 hours and can wash an in-ground pool that is 17 feet by 50 feet with just one charge. It's not the same job as higher-end models, but it's an affordable model for maintenance that is light and easy. With an upgraded capacity for the filter, this cleaner for pools is suitable for above-ground pools of up to 35 feet in diameter. In-ground pools that have flat floors can go up an angle of as high as 15 degrees. The unit also has a separate exact brush that will ensure an efficient clean and maintenance of the pool. Aper Seagull is a 1000-watt robotic cleaning system to provide you with a convenient and efficient cleaning of your pool. Number 4 in our side is Polaris P825 Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Polaris P825 Sport Robotic Pool Cleaner is a unique model with triangular treads which allow it to wash almost every surface of your in-ground pool. The cleaning robot can tackle stairs or coves as well as benches easily. It also scrubs the waterline. The P825, designed for in-ground pools with a maximum depth of 40 feet and uses Polaris cyclonic vacuum technology to collect debris without losing suction power. Through the transparent lid of the Polaris P825 it is possible to observe the debris container to see when it is time to empty, and the push NGO emptying system prevents the need to reach into the contents of the filter. The large intake area takes huge leaves and debris. The robot also has its own caddy to store the contents in a convenient manner. Get the most out of cleaning features such as trademark cyclonic vacuum technology, a dual cleaning process that allows for quick, instant cleaning cycles, and a tough caddy for simple transportation. Cyclonic vacuum technology ensures powerful cleaning action that catches debris but does not lose suction. Last in our top 5 best pool cleaning robot list is Dolphin Escape Robotic Above Ground Pool Cleaner. The Dolphin Escape Robotic Above Ground Pool Cleaner has been specifically designed to be used in above ground vinyl pools with a maximum width of 30 feet. It effortlessly navigates the surface of any above ground pool and smooths the liner. The vacuum head collects dust and dirt, and the large capacity bin can handle larger debris such as leaves. This cleaner's plug and play operation makes it simple to set up and then use right away. This cleaner spared us from the hassle of manually cleaning pools, which is especially important because the pool that this robot was tested in was surrounded by a large tree that often falls leaves. This cleaner may seem basic in its performance, however, it's also compact and efficient, making it an excellent choice for an above ground pool. Consider any preconceived notions you might have about pool robots, and get rid of them. Escape is the all-new Escape is available with revolutionary technology to make sure that your pool is kept clean to a new standard. Escape's low-voltage DC motors use almost 90% less power than older cleaning machines. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.